Hello Internet, and today I want to demonstrate a skill I have added to my repertoire to some extent, and that is the ability to get into warded locks. So what I actually got is a set of warded key picks from Sparrows, and the skill is actually, let's use this one as an example, figuring out which one will open the respective lock. Actually, looking at the key helps a lot in picking these, but if you're going into blind, you don't actually know what the key looks like. So the real trick is figuring out which one is best to open the lock you are trying to open. And also, knowing biggest issue is actually getting a feel for the inside of these and figuring out where exactly you need to place the bit to turn. And that can actually take a fair bit of time. As a result, I am not 100% successful at opening these, as you have just seen. But these are actually a low skill lock that are fairly common. So, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want. And have a nice day.